Back pain, weak posture, no strength, low energy. What if I told you 95% of these problems can be fixed with just 4 exercises? These are the movements your body was built to do. And today I'll show you exactly why they work, how they fix your body, and how to use them correctly. Before machines, before gyms, before fitness influencers, humans got strong using movement. And almost every movement pattern can be covered by just 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, farmer's walk. This is one of the most underrated exercises in fitness. It strengthens your grip, core, shoulders, traps, legs, and even improves posture. If you have back pain, weak core, or poor posture, this is non-negotiable. Why it works: trains anti-flexion and anti-rotation, builds real strength, activates over 80% of your muscles. Exercise number 2, squats. If you can't squat properly, your body's broken somewhere. Squats build strong legs, protect your knees, strengthen your hips, and even help your core. Why it works: trains hips, knees, and ankles together, improves mobility and balance, builds lower body power. Exercise number 3, push-ups. Not just a chest exercise, this is a full body movement. If done correctly, push-ups train your chest, shoulders, triceps, core. Why it works: builds upper body pushing strength, improves shoulder stability, trains core tension. Exercise number 4, pull-ups. This is the ultimate test of upper body strength. Pull-ups fix rounded shoulders, strengthen your back, and build serious muscle. Why it works: trains lats, upper back, biceps, improves posture, balances pushing movements. These 4 exercises cover almost every muscle and movement pattern your body needs. Simple weekly structure: farmer's walk, 2 to 3 sets, squats, 3 to 5 sets, push-ups, 3 to 4 sets, pull-ups, 3 to 4 sets. If you want science-based training, real results, and fitness advice, this is Fit Fuel Academy.